Hello guys, my name is Dr. Fias Devin. Today we're playing Battle Cats. I should keep checking the comments because I don't do that. I'll turn the lights on quick. Alright, that's it. But anyway, I beat in Machu Picchu. Then I was stuck on Easter Island for a day. Then I made it to Mexico. And I've never tapped into Mexico yet. I don't know what enemies are appearing and blah blah blah. Okay, well, we have lots to do this episode. So I didn't really plan of what we're gonna do. But there is, let's see in here, okay? There's 2 days for each event. Oh god, now I have to move the base cam, just tap on Street Fighter again. Okay. So blah blah blah, we'll read those. I didn't even give me a chance to read them. But I'll play the face quick if you really want me to. His last episode I fought the double and that took me 20 minutes. But the face is a little bit easier than that, so we'll see the outbreak. Argentina. The outbreak was on Argentina before. Argentina's hard. The flu shot hurts, I just got it today. Can I spread the camera? Alright, well, let's keep producing brave cats. It's the bright one. It's the bright one. Okay, come on. If we kill this penguin, we'll get lots of money out of it. Probably quite a bit. I only get 1,000. It's not enough. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure it was good before. But anyway, I'm pretty sure I fought the face before. Have I? This is the first boss. The devil's the second boss. So this is the first boss, and then here's the second. The devil's the second boss. So chapter 1, then 2, and then I'm still on chapter 3. I never played Mexico yet, but the moon is hard enough. Oh god, just die already. Here, I could produce Valkyrie if I really want. I'll show you my favorite unit, okay? So here's my favorite unit. Hold on. That one with the cat on her staff. But wow, this boss is not even close to being dead. If you just keep spamming them out, you're gonna get the boss dead. I think the face is still a little hard if you ask. I mean, not that the bosses are like hard, the devil is way harder. Just because how he uses his portal, if you watch the last episode, he uses his portal, and every time he shoots out his portal with his glass of wine, I think, he'll kill all your cats. But the face has lots of health. But I still play the bosses, just because they give you good experience. Come on, die! Oh, wow, that was quick. Well, now let's just keep spamming out cats. So now we're gonna win. This kangaroo now is dead. You just came out and your death is upon you. Wow, I have so much different areas that I record from. Valkyrie. Okay, well, oh god, I don't have enough to upgrade the sick one. Can I get my Valkyrie Max? Oh, my Valkyrie is my favorite cat. Not really a cat, if you ask. Oh, I wasted all my experience. Ah, great. Okay, well now I have a cat at max, so that's good. What do you need, Sammy? Is that me? Look! Come here! Okay. I'm not gonna do this in Okay, well I got my Valkyrie at max. That's pretty cool. I got my favorite cat at max. Is this Rapper June Mexico? No, it isn't. Wait, what? You're 148 cents? This is weird. I don't like it. I just realized Sammy has been in like almost all of my newest videos, but Lucy has never been in one. Probably, but probably, no. Why do you think I'm talking? It's my imaginary friend, probably. Oh, okay. Can I push you back for enough so I could? Okay. Okay, soon my cats kill this penguin. I need some money to produce my true Valkyrie in her true form. If that makes sense. Hold on. I'm gonna move my chair. I wanted to see my Valkyrie, but I wasted all my experience just for that, so. Finally! Oh wow, that's way different. Okay. Come on. Wow, that's way extended. That's good area attack. I like that. God, now I can't use my experience. Oh God. Hey Sammy, jump up here and out that. Sammy, don't chew on the chair.
Sammy, you should chew on it.
Well, he stopped because I said no.
Thank you.
I'm not talking to thin air, guys. If any of you guys were thinking I was talking to thin air, I wasn't. I don't know if you saw her. You probably didn't see her. A glue has a what? A glue has a what? A glue stick has a what? Anyway. Oh my gosh. An elephant. Oh god. My true Valkyrie died. My Valkyrie is my favorite unit. Oh god, by the time I save up for Valkyrie, he's gonna be ready. This kangaroo is gonna crush all my cats. Yeah, this brave cat's probably not gonna survive out of those. Man, just hurry up. Hurry up, Valkyrie, I need you. You know, it'll produce the cats in the box. Fire? Will that helping? Oh, yeah, okay, it's not really helping. Oh, I was gonna produce some. Now they couldn't. Oh, my God. I mean, we're watching Despicable Me 3 in the back. Oh, okay, good, Valkyrie didn't die. Good, because then I would be dead. I don't know. Oh my god. I didn't get experience of that, so no. I only got 2,500 and 25,000. Oh, okay. I have enough to upgrade my mystical thing. By the way, it's positive. It's the Titan Cat, of course. Mystical Titan Cat. Anyway, I feel like you're gonna question me after I said that. But anyway, God, that's a lot of it. Whoa. I probably have enough to upgrade this, but I'm not going to. Sanda. I have my energy at max. I have my Valkyrie at max, so I just wasted experience on that. Oh god. Blah blah blah. Okay, we're gonna fight the face. He's gonna be quick. I don't know how long that battle took, but probably a little while. Yes, please, I do. Or I can do the outbreak. No, I forgot the outbreak was on Argentina. Alright, well, I already fought in this episode. I'm fighting him again just to get good experience. I need to make sure more in. Come on, take down this angry penguin. It doesn't rhyme. It sounds like it rhymes.
Sammy.
He's just in the kitchen.
Are you almost done your video?
How long have we been filming? I'm just gonna fight this boss and I'll be done, I guess. So this time I'll check the comments after this video to see if you guys are enjoying this Battle Cat series. Because I have to get contacts that's good for you guys. Cool, I just play with this. Have you even hit this base? Or not the base. Have you even hit this face? Or did I push them back far enough? I don't know if I'm hitting them or if I'm really hitting the face. I mean, you don't earn Valkyrie at the time you play this boss, but I'm just sending out Valkyrie. This Valkyrie is going to be strong against the boss. Because you don't get Valkyrie at this time. But if you beat the devil, that's when you get the Valkyrie. And it took me 3 weeks to beat the devil, but I beat this guy my first try. Because I also had to use the God Bless You miracle choice. But I don't know if my cats can handle this base. Wait, what? They can handle the devil, so they probably can handle it. That was a knockback. I don't know if you saw that. I don't know how to do replays. I don't know how to edit. That would have been just wow, I can do a lot. I can produce like there's one cat except my super rare. Because your cooldown takes 10 minutes. But does it? I'm not a really good calculator. Wait, do I look like a calculator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0. Oh my god. I know this. I just realized the face is dead. I was about to lie. And I knew the face was dead, but I didn't know the face was dead. I don't need you. Tap, you're gone. And then just do a little bit of... I need to get some money out of this. Really, that's not a lot of experience. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos that I've done, you can just check out more stuff that I've done. Or if you want to see the rest of the 3 episodes I've done in Battle Cats, you can go ahead and see that. If you tap the screen and see the arrow right here, or if you want to just swipe the screen, or somewhere around here, you'll see the arrow. Yeah, around this black thing. You see it? Tap on the screen and you'll see it right here. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next Battle Cats video.